Happy Sunday! We are going to go kayaking and I think walk this little trail along the water. So I'm really excited about that. I just got done eating lunch and I have some sandwiches packed and granola bars, and we've got our waters. One good thing about this trip is I never really drank much water. Just not a water drinker. And I read that up at higher elevations it's just really good to drink a lot of water. So ever since we've been on the road, I've been drinking a ton. And now that's pretty much all I'm drinking is water. So we just keep refilling our bottles. Rather than bringing a whole bunch of bottles and stuff, we've just been buying water bottles and refilling those. So it's been working out really good. And so I'm bringing my bottles and improved on a health feature that I've been wanting to do with water. So that was a good benefit. So Lance is sitting out waiting for me to finish getting things ready, and look at his view. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? How's your view, Lance Miller? Pretty good. Here's some cool birds out there. Okay, Daisy Mae, we're going kayaking. We'll see you later. You look pretty darn comfortable. We'll see you later. Love yous. Okay, we found where we're gonna drop our kayak in. Right here. This is that lake this little area that we were at a couple nights ago, back when we were camping at this other spot. So we were familiar with this. Be nice and easy to get to. Front row seat. Look at all the cars today. It's a Sunday and it's a lot busier than usual. Wasn't like this during the week. So I'm gonna help Lance get this bad boy blown up. We're in! Yay! Takes us what, like 10 minutes to get blown up and ready to go?
10 minutes.
And it's getting really warm here. Really warm. Nights are freezing, days are warm. And the water feels so good. Yeah, the water is fantastic. They said that this is actually a glacial lake. These twin lakes right here, except it's warmer than most glacial lakes because it is a little bit lower and smaller. 65 to 75 degrees in the summer, so refreshing. But pure, beautiful water. So here we go. We're gonna see all around these little bends where we've been camping at. Woo! This is beautiful.
It is amazing.
Do you think there's a way to go to the left out to the main lake?
I don't know, maybe. Check it out and see.
Oh, look at all those pines lit up.
This might just be like a little grove here or a little runoff.
You want to try it?
Sure.
Oh, look at that turn.
Probably going to want to stay as close to the left as you can, because it's probably going to be just slightly deeper.
Oh my god, this is cool! Do you see this?
See how it gets shallow to your right?
Second. It's a big rock. I'm trying to avoid. I love it. Woo! We've been sitting here for what? 15 minutes?
Yeah.
Just sitting here with this view and just soaking it all in. our campsite is somewhere up in here. Here's where we're sitting. Just looking at that.
As always, as every traveler knows,
Yeah.
does not do any of this any justice whatsoever.
The mountains look much smaller in the video.
The scope, I mean, look at your pan to the right, you can see all those cars along the mountain. You'll probably want to be able to see those.
Yeah, let's. If you look in the distance over there, you'll see tiny dots of cars. Blast. I think I might have got some sun too. I brought some sun
Block?
screen, but I didn't bring it down here. I didn't think it was going to be this hot and intense. But that was super fun. Got it packed up and as easy as that. And I'm sure we'll be taking it again. There's a couple other spots we're thinking about going. Be proud, you're looking dirty.
Yes.
Look at that. Finally getting our Jeep dirty. Look at that in the door frame. Woohoo! Be proud.
Look, you have a little beach on your...
We are back at our camper. Back up here on the top. Gonna go check out and see how Daisy's doing. There is other people up on the little top next to us, a bunch of tents, and they're all gone. It's Sunday, so people are leaving, and so we got this whole mountaintop to ourselves. Here's another view of it. So you saw that from yesterday. We didn't make a fire last night. It was really cold. Lance went to bed like at 9. But all this up here had some people. And it's all gone. So we got this whole area. Yeah, this was just full of tents. People come up here and hike the mountains and all the trails. Like nobody. That was full too. Just weekenders coming up. Oh wow, they have an even different, wider view right here. Yeah, from right here, it's another different angle than we've got. Okay, that's pretty spectacular. And then we're over here. Back behind us has beautiful pine forest that we want to go explore. And then all over here is more pine forest. But anywhere up in this huge hill, there is just a fantastic view. Way down there. It's time to get a little snack. Some more to drink. Look at our little spot. Okay. Look where Daisy is.
It's on your paw. She's got a piece of bark on her paw and doesn't even know it.
What are you getting into?
She tastes it. She wants to taste it. What's it taste like?
We are in our little screen tent for the second time. Daisy's doing great this time. Back in Nebraska when we tried it, she hated it. She hated it back then. What's that?
Spin it.
Oh yeah, good job. Good job.
Does it taste
Ready?
kind of barky?
Ready? Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, somebody's really liking it. Ah! That's her happy pose. I think she likes it. So we're in a little forest right across from our campsite. Traipsing around. There's Lance up there. Everything's very dry. You can hear it crunch. Lance is looking for evidence of bear. Where's your dig mark?
Right here, look at this.
And why might that be a bear?
Well, just look at the size of it.
It looks like a
Squirrel
rock's
didn't-
moved out of
Squirrel
it.
didn't do that. These two trees. They're basically stripped bare.
Look
You
at the
getting this?
view we got.
You gotta do a panel here.
Oh yeah.
And look left to right. I mean, there are mountains over here to your left. That's your right.
Mountains. I wanted to do the opposite. Oh, look at. This is stunning. Okay, Lance thinks he found cougar poop.
I got some here. And I got a big patch here.
You think that's cougar poop?
Could be. It's a lot of it, but if you have
What's
a
your
healthy one.
evidence?
The poop right here.
Well, how do you think that? Why do you think that's cougar?
Because I've looked it up online before when we were at our other place. And this looked very similar to the other stuff we saw.
Oh, oh, when we were up there in the on that rock thing in Wyoming.
Yeah. Very similar.
Lance just found some more scat.
This might be elk or deer poop. I'm just guessing. Because of the size and roundness, but I've never...
I heard.
I've
Well,
never
I've seen Bear, the guy Bear.
Yeah.
He picks it up and like squishes it and smells it.
Give it a shot. Stick your tongue
You're
in
the
there.
one. You're the one that. You're the one that's interested in the scat.
No, these are my guesses. Like Jamie and Don, they probably know because they hunt those things.
Okay.
Those are my guesses. See all these little marmot holes? Like looking under the rock here.
You've seen a marmot, but I haven't yet.
Just create a little hole there.
Oh yeah.
We can scurry through.
It's got a rain cover. Okay, and just to keep with the theme of scat, Lance calls that rabbit scat.
Or it could be like a really little deer, I guess. But we haven't seen any deer.
Lance ever disappointed that there's no wildlife out here.
Ooh, there's a big marmot hole. More.
Okay, I can't say we haven't climbed anything. Oh!
On my stick?
Of course, I choose to wear flip-flops as we walk. Lance has got hiking shoes and a stick.
Tired, babe? A lot of breath?
So something we haven't talked about on any of our stuff. The altitude. We feel it.
Okay.
We've felt it since we got into Colorado Springs. And as we kept going higher, we definitely feel it.
I'm apparently quite adept at climbing.
Lance
I
can
can't.
scurry up the hill, but if we do regular walking, he's like, oh my God, I'm out of
I
breath.
can walk up a hill and not get tired.
And I do the regular walking, but I can't do the hills.
Yeah, I walk normal and I get tired.
Well, we're just about at 10,000 feet. Whew. We're at 97, I think? Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
pretty high.
okay.
Okay, the Cape Crusader is putting up her hammock that she loves.
Do you see what kind of hammock view?
They've seen the view.
Then after the fire, I can sit here and watch it go down.
Yeah. She's chose those two trees. What was your reasoning for choosing those two trees?
Well, those two are right in front of where we sit and look. This is a little higher.
That's face I didn't look, but that's okay. She's talking about here instead of here. And we're back. We had a moment of frustration there, and she wasn't quite sure how to do it, but I think she's got it figured out. Let's zoom in on that face. What's that face tell us?
What that face tells you?
No fingers involved.
That face tells you you're making dinner tonight.
Awesome, leftovers.
There is none.
Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
We already had that.
Granola bars.
I'll make dinner.
Oh, she's got it. She's got it. Well, if you look at our timestamp, that was 1 hour and 13 minutes. Did you hear me?
Score.
Pretty epic. Now
Never had one up this high. It feels good.
let's go see the view.
It looks great. I want to tell a story about tying knots on the roof of the car.
We've told that story.
Daisy, you want to come outside with Mama? Come on. Stop that noise, Mom.
Daisy, you're a noise dictator.
It's okay, buddy.
Don't like that noise. I want my world to be completely silent.
Like at home. It's pretty much silent at home.
The only sound I hear is the crack of a can opening to feed me in the morning and evening. What are you doing, B?
I am making some burritos.
That sounds good.
Sounds fantastic. Got some corn cooking, onions. Smells good.
Thank you.
Anything for you.
Daisy back there.
I even brought you jalapenos.
All right.
Do you want some?
Sure.
Perfect.
Probably gonna take quite a while.
Time to get some water for the camper. I'll watch. Just kidding. I think I'll go help.
There's B filling the last of our jugs, our 10 jugs.
Oh, it's icy.
This is her 10th gallon that she's done.
I'm a beast. Mission accomplished. So we are going a little bit farther down the road.
Which road is this?
This is Independence Pass. This is the big Independence Pass, but it goes like 45 miles. We're just driving just a little bit of it, just to get a little look-see.
Get a different view of the mountains that we've been looking at too.
Yeah, just to kind of see just a little bit how it is.
There's dispersed camping out right here.
Nice. So we're just gonna see what we can see up the road here. Sorry for the super dirty windshield, but this is pretty neat. Lance has been wanting to see a wild animal so bad, and he just found one.
You see him? Just a deer, but first one.
We are rotating 3 gallons each. Putting the water in. You're a nifty little water bandit. And I'm gonna take a shower tonight.
A hot one.